Hey guys, today we will talk about how to add custom font on your Shopify store. This process is really simple and easy, and for this, open your browser and log into your store in which you want to add a custom font. And the next thing you have to do is you have to download the font which you want to add. So open the new tab in the new tab. You have to search for font and be careful because the format will be in TTF file. So I will write here. You will see multiple website where you will get the font. So I will click on the first one, and here you will find multiple fonts. You can download it from here. But I already download that font, which I will add in my Shopify store. So let's go back to our Shopify store, and let's start the method. I separate this method in 5 different ways. Let me open my notepad here. You will see the first one is download font, which we want to apply. The second one is after downloading the font. We need to go to content, and in content, we need to open a file and then upload to file. The next thing is we have to move to the themes, and in the themes, we have to tap on edit code plus sections, and then we have to create a new section. And in that section, we have to paste this code. And the last way is we have to include the section in the body tag. And this one is the code. Don't worry, I'll add this complete notepad file in my description, so can download it from there with all things. So let's start the process. The first one is we have to move to the content by clicking on it, and here we have to tap on the option files. Once I will click on the option file, here, you will see I can upload my file by clicking on the option Upload File. And if you take a look on the right top, you can see the option of Upload File. Click on it. And here, you have to look for the font which you want to download. And here you can see I already download it. So let me click on it. And you can see it's TTF file. I need to click on the option Open. Once I will click on the option Open, it will start uploading, and we have to move to the themes. So let me click on Online Store, and here you can see themes. Now the theme has been open. Scroll down and look for the themes in which you want to add your font, just like I have a single. So I will click on the 3 dots, and I will recommend you to create a duplicate of this theme, because if you want to get back the original one, then you can use the duplicate version. So after clicking on the option duplicate, click on the option Edit Code. Now we are in our Edit Code section, so let me open my notepad. In the Edit Code, we have to click on the Option section, and then we have to create a new section, and the name will be Custom Font. So let me copy this name. Now here we have the Find section. So scroll down, and here are this section. Click on it, and tap on Create a New Section. And here I will paste the name. You can add your name by yourself, but just for showing you, I will do this name. So click on the option Done. Now the section has been added. Let me open my notepad again, and once the section will be created, I have to copy this code. So let me copy it. Once the code will be copied, let's move back to the Shopify and here delete the previous one and paste that code. Once the code will be pasted, click on the option Save. Now you can see the assets has been saved. Now let me open my notepad again. The last thing is we have to include the section in the body tag, so we have to find body and paste the below code. So we have to find the body in the body tag section. Let me minimize it. Here we have to scroll up a bit and click on the option Layout. Once we will click on Layout, here you can see the option of themes.liquid. Click on it. And here we have to find the section Body Tag. So for finding the body tag, do a click here and type Ctrl plus F, and here you have to write this. Below, you will see the body tag. And here what we have to do, we have to include this section in our body tag. So let me copy it. I will paste here. Once the section has been added, click on the option Save. Now it has been saved. Well, the last thing is, let's go back to our theme section by clicking on this exit icon and tap on the option Customize. On the top, you can see the option of Custom Font. Click on it. And here we have to add that font, which we upload in our File section. So click on it. Once you will click on Option Font on the right side of your computer screen. Here you can see a section. The first one is font name, the second one is font weight, and the last one is font URL. Here you have to paste the URL, which we upload in our Shopify. So let's move to our upload section and copy the code. Now let's go back, and here paste the code, and before clicking on the option Save, you can see the font format. Now I will click on Save, and here you can see the font size changed. And it was basic way by which you can add custom font on your Shopify store, and it's a method by which you can add any font in your Shopify store.